Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you just a few minute Adobe Lightroom tutorial which you can improve your pictures and make it look super good. Alright, so when you're on your computer, first of all you want to open Adobe Lightroom. When you open it, you go on this plus sign and add the picture you want to edit. Today I will edit this one. Then you review for import and you click add photo. When you do this, it will add it to your pictures. It's right here. Then you double click the image. Then if you're here on the right side, you want to click this top icon. First, what I like to do is click the auto edit because this gives me a good way to start with my settings. Then I click auto, but I'm gonna make some adjustments on my own. First, I think I wanna go on the exposure a little bit higher. Let's make it somewhere around 0.32. The contrast, I also want to make this more, somewhere around like 17. Looks good. The highlights, if I bring it down, to have more like darker, more highlights, or bring it up, that is vibrant. So I think I will keep this around like -15. Shadows, I think the shadows I want to bring it down so it has a more contrast, like -20. Whites, I want to keep the whites like to pop out, the blacks to be black, super black. All right, the temperature, I don't like to mess with it, but I think it can be a little bit, just a super tiny bit bluer. Vibrant, saturation, tint, I think that's good like that. Next one I like to mess with is the effects panel. Texture, this will give you like more texture. Let's give like 110 clarity, make it a little bit clearer, like 5, 6. Dehaze is just a little bit more, like that's around also 5. The grain and vignette, I don't want to change that. So sharpen and noise reduction. I like my picture sharp, so I like to put this around 3 or 5. In this picture, I will do cross value between 4. Noise reduction and color noise reduction, we don't need that. And look how our picture changed a lot. If you want to crop your image, you can do it here or straighten it. There's other few panels you can use, but I think so far this is enough. So if you're done, you come up to the top right corner, export your pictures. I like to do mine in JPEG, full size, 100 quality, and by this it will be 1 megabyte. So I think everyone has this much space on their phones or computers. So you export your picture, you need to choose where you export it. I will do this in the Lightroom Save Photos. And if you export it, that's it. You can check in your Finder. If you have it exported, you go where you saved it. I go to Documents, Lightroom Save Photos, and then this right here. Look, how nice, beautiful picture. Basically, that was it. Thank you for following me along. Peace out. Enjoy your quarantine.